Baby, you are killing me. Baby, kill me. Baby, wound me. Auntie, I was so worried, oh.
Father! No! Talk to me one bit! Ask this woman why she hates me!
But I caught Papa and Mama doing Ife Aran, doing bad things. And Mama was shouting, Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao!
Why don't you discuss more important things and forget about romance?
Mama, don't you know that romantic things should be sweet, sweet and pleasurable things, and not fighting and wrestling and shouting, Hadao! Hadao!
Come, kneel down. You can't just wake up one morning to tell me that my marriage to my woman will not hold without any reason.
It is true that when the sound of a drum is suspended on air with high tune, there is need to ask from which trees the drum was made.
Rise up and confront your challenges. You are the higher apparent to the throne.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Your Majesty. That will not happen. I cannot leave the woman I love for another woman.
Prepare your mind to love any maiden that will be brought to you as your wife.
In fact, it will not happen, not under my watch. Why have you decided to cut off my joy without minding how Nkechi and I will feel?
I'm going to die, Papa. I'm going to die. Enki, so you and Prince Chukwudalu are already doing Ife Aran. You are already doing bad things. Eh? Prince Chukwudalu is already making you shout, Prince Hadao, Hadao, Hadao. That's why you are crying like this.
Are you mad? Who the hell are you to ask me such questions?
No woman is worth dying for. All women are the same.
Is this the right time for you to be saying what you were saying?
Meaning, I will not allow you to touch me again until you properly propose to me before your parents.
What I don't understand is why now? Why at this 11th hour?
In fact, Mama, anytime I hear you singing Hadao, Hadao, I will use rope to tie you and Papa.